viewers, and many thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show, a show that comes every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. Now today I'll be talking matters interior decor, and to help us with this, I'm at a very beautiful shop, as you can see even from my background. This is CK Homestyle Interiors that's found in Gitanga Road in Nairobi, and I have a very pretty lady by the onset today who'll just be taking us through this shop, and I'll take this opportunity to let her introduce herself. Hi.
Hello.
Many thanks for joining us on Lolwe Tv.
Thank you so much, my dear.
Now this is the property show. Kindly introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay. My name is Nancy. Nancy, I work at CK. I'm the one who's managing the Gitanga branch. We have two branches. Yeah, where we are in Lavington.
Yes.
Yeah, we have two branches. One is in Gigiri, the other one is in Lavington, where we are currently. Yes.
Nancy, first of all, I have to appreciate you guys have a very good shop, and these pieces are unique. And I hope at some point our viewers will see some of the pieces that you guys have, and you'll take us through the shop when we'll be progressing with the interview.
Sure.
So first and foremost, I know many people would want to know why CK. What's the reason behind the name?
The name actually is it's an initial of the owner. Yeah, not to go into details, but yeah,
it's just the initials.
The
of
initials,
the owner. Nice. That's so unique.
I know.
So when was the shop started? Because you said that you have another branch in Gigiri. So would you know when the shop started?
Yes. I'm aware. Okay, the shop currently it started as an online business in September 2020, which is last year.
Just last year?
Yes.
So many of you guys were just booming with Corona business. People are complaining about their businesses.
Yeah, it happened. Even though it affected us negatively, there was also the positive impact of the whole idea, the whole pandemic thing. Yeah, so it started online as an online business. That's on September last year. Then in December, that's when we opened our first branch in Gigiri. Yeah, so we've had it since then. Mid this year, we happen to open our Lavington branch.
So many you guys are doing well in business.
Well, we thank God for that.
And I have to say so because I think people, or the dynamics are changing. People nowadays are into interior decor. They want their homes to be beautiful. And that's the reason why at least today we are featuring you guys, so that you can help our viewers to sell their homes.
Yeah, very true.
So how about the pieces? Before we start going through, where do you guys get your pieces from? Like, do you import or you get them locally?
Yeah. No, there's nothing we get locally. Actually, everything, as you can well see, are imported from different countries.
Nice.
Yes, and actually some of them are handpicked. Sometimes we do like a vacation, go not to vacate, but now to
shop for pieces.
Yes.
Because I can see a variety, and I believe they are from different countries, just the way you put it.
Yes, you don't compromise on quality. Yes, and you have to be unique.
So would you mind taking us through the shop?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So on this side, we have the wall hangings. These are called the wall plates. You can as well see the way they're designed. They're in silver colors. So for those, you can actually place them on top of the side bed. The headboard.
Yes.
Yeah, just on top. You can design them nicely around the wall, upstairs. Just anywhere. Same case applies to the wall plates. They come in different designs, as you can well see.
Yeah.
So it's easy to mount actually.
I love it. Do you mean they are metal? These are metal?
Yeah, it's metallic.
It's metallic. Okay.
So they're so easy to hang actually and display. So you can use them on your dining wall, on your sitting wall, just anywhere. We have the wall frames. Those are the, identity of a girl child.
They are so unique. And I told you guys before, prior to the video, that I love these pieces. They're so unique.
That's a very good one. We have the clocks. This and the others are on the other side.
Yeah.
Then we have these pretty pieces. I'll show you how to use this.
They're like for candles, for candle holders.
No, it's actually a lamp.
It's a lamp.
Yeah, it's actually a lamp. I'll show you how to use use it.
Okay,
Because
okay.
you have to put a bulb inside, then dim it because it's dimmable. Yeah, we have the vases. These are bamboo. They're actually not breakable. No. It's not glass.
You guys,
It's a
see how
bamboo
unique
base.
this thing is. It's bamboo.
So for the people with kids, you know,
Yeah.
it's easy for them to use such vases because they enable them to, even if the kid breaks, like falls it
won't break.
you
Yeah.
know. Yeah, we have the throw blankets.
Yeah, the
These
in
are
thing and the way Nairobi is normally called
yes,
nowadays.
yes, that's the thing.
And
This
it's
is how,
swollen.
yes,
This is not even-
it's knitted. It's
It's knitted. It's not
Yes.
knitted. It's so
It's
soft
very
and
cozy.
I think these are plus, guys. Because
Yeah.
you can style it on your bed.
Yeah,
on
exactly.
seats.
On the couch.
Yeah, on the couch.
Yes,
This is so beautiful.
You're good to go with this. So then we have our sister company here called Body Shop by Tiana. This is what it entails. So this is more or less a pick-up point
Yeah.
for the Body Shop by Tiana.
Yeah.
These are the body mist and the lotions.
And I love the way you didn't talk about these. I think this is like
Oh,
the
it's an
bathroom
organizer. Yeah,
They
it's
can
an
use it
organizer.
to do that.
They can use it to put their lotions,
Yeah.
perfumes, just everything to do with girls.
They
you know,
smell so nice, you
cosmetics.
guys. They smell so nice. You just know this is an interior show. They smell so nice. I think after this interview, maybe I'll sample some of them.
Yeah, absolutely. So the mist and the lotion, they are all from this side is Bath and Body Works. It's a very good company.
Very good, yeah.
Very genuine because we don't compromise on, you know, quality once
Yeah.
again.
Okay.
And these are Victoria's Secret. So yeah, from there then we have these, sorry.
Oh yeah.
These are bedside rugs.
Oh my goodness.
Pure
They don't feel like
rabbit fur.
rugs. They feel like something that I can cover myself with.
I know.
They're rugs.
Yes, they're
They're so
bedside
soft.
rugs. It's pure
so
rabbit
soft.
fur.
Rabbit fur.
Yes, pure rabbit fur.
You guys, rabbit fur. Would you mind to tell us how much this is? 'Cause
This
it's
is
so nice.
7,000 shillings.
It's worth it, you guys. It's worth it.
Yeah, it's a
This
worth
thing is so
piece.
soft. Rabbit fur.
Because you know the good thing about all items that you can see in our shop, the prices are really fair.
They're really fair.
They're
See?
really fair.
Yeah.
Because you know, we try as much as possible not to be too much, so that our clientele can actually be okay shopping with us, not only once, but be a
They can
repeated,
always come.
be a repeated client.
Talking of clients, who is your client, like your target market? Who are you
Target
targeting?
market, mostly middle class and high class, because you know our staff are more of high end.
Yeah, they're high end, my dear. They're high end.
High end, therefore, like we target the
Upper
that
class and middle class.
Yeah, but anybody can actually shop from
Anybody
us.
can
Yeah,
shop.
because we have items that are worth maybe 1,000, 1,500, depending on what you like. Because you know you might want this vase, but since it's 10,000, maybe you can't afford it. But we have this.
An alternative.
That is that is
Yeah.
1,500, and it's a very nice glass vase.
Yeah.
Mm.
So as we're progressing, I love this. Tell me these are for floors. What's
Yeah,
the
they're
use?
for floors.
They're for
They're
floors, yeah?
lanterns.
Yeah.
Lanterns whereby you can actually use a candle,
Yeah.
then switch it on. See this? Then put it inside so that it lights nicely.
Was that electric candle? That's
It's
an electric candle.
no, it's not electric. It uses the batteries. You know?
This is so unique. I've never seen such. You guys, kutembea kwingi ndiko kuona wengi.
Yeah. This is the place to be. Yeah. And for these are
Just normal rugs.
yeah, normal rugs for the bathroom, washroom.
vibes.
Good vibes only. That's what we do.
Positive energy.
Absolutely. So they come in different textures, prices, just everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now to my favorite section, which is the home fragrance. These are the candles.
And nowadays it's so unique and like the old days when people just light red, blue, yellow, white candles.
That's the thing. That's the
Nowadays
thing.
they have
And then you know
fragrance.
they're actually scented. You can actually
They are.
smell this.
And they have 3 weeks.
Yes, it's a 3-week candle at only 3,000 shillings.
This
Legit.
orange and ginger.
Legit candles from Bath and Body Works.
Wow.
Yes, yes, yes.
And I think I can vouch for bath and body wash because there are things, the aroma, they last for a while.
It's actually something so genuine. So long as you get the ideal thing, you're good to go.
Now to the flowers.
To the flowers. These are decorative flowers.
They really look like original flowers.
Yes,
and yet
they look
are
so real.
quotes.
Exactly. So you can use them anywhere. Like for this, we've actually used it on this tray to design, to show you how you can use your tray and how you can actually display your perfumes, your collection, you know.
I mean, actually, this is not just a shop, but you guys give people ideas.
Yes, it's a homey. We want you to feel at home.
No wonder you added lifestyle into the CK.
Absolutely, because you know the thing about our shop.
Yeah.
Home style, it's whereby we deal with the home items. For instance, the way I've shown you the floor mats, the rugs, the throw blankets, something that you can actually use at your home.
Yeah.
And for the interiors, which is CK, home styles and interior. Interior is now the deco part.
The deco part.
Yes. The aesthetic part of the house. Yes. So we have the combination of the home style and the interior. Like for instance, we have these kitchen towels. You know,
it comes in a set.
As a set of two. Two. They're really nice. They don't leave the lint behind. You know, you can even wipe your glasses with them. Yeah.
And they come in different textures.
Yeah, different textures, different colors. Whatever your taste is, you know, for the mustard people, we got you.
Those who love colors.
Exactly, the colorful people.
Yeah, like I do.
Absolutely. Yeah. So yeah, you know, now that's the part of the home. We have the kitchen items here and there, living room, just everything.
I believe you have everything. One of these glasses, they caught my eyes when I was coming in. I was like, these things are pretty. I mean, you don't even have to put something inside. It's like a deco piece.
Yes, it's just like a deco piece. You can actually even display them just the way they are.
The way they are.
You know, because they come in different sizes. We have the small one, which are here, the medium, and now the large one. Yeah.
What would somebody put?
Flowers.
Flowers.
Let me take up some flowers.
Okay.
Then show you how you can actually style it.
Okay. And the thing I love about when it comes to decorating, nowadays people use flowers even like to decorate, whether natural or fake.
Or artificial.
Like the artificial ones don't even look like they are not artificial.
Yeah, they look like so real.
Yeah.
They look so real. It's okay, dear. So you can actually use such kind of flowers, you know.
You know what? I have an idea what somebody can do with this. Put them in the foyer. When they're coming in, like when you have a foyer, you can put them there. And then plus a mirror. Oh my goodness, you guys.
That look.
I think you're making me fall in love with interior deco much more. And they can even use the small ones.
Yeah, if the space is not that big, because you know this now needs a very big space. Yeah, you can use the smaller
I hadn't thought
vases.
about this. Thanks for this. This is so good.
It's such a vibe. It's also
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe. It's also this piece. You know, you can just play around with it.
That's also an artificial flower.
Yes, these are all artificial.
Actually, they look so nice.
Yeah, they are artificial. So then you have to be careful.
Yeah,
because you know it's glass.
And then when you have babies, you just have to be very careful.
Super careful.
But again, also kids, it depends even the way you train them. Train them when they're small.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
If you tell them, no, please don't touch this. If you touch it, it may break.
Yeah.
If it breaks, it might hurt you.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
They tend to understand slowly with time.
Yes.
Yeah. So these are candle holders.
Like so
this is a set of a big horse and a small horse.
So when you sell them as a set, or somebody can even just pick a piece?
No, what happens is we don't like limit our clients.
Okay.
If you want it as a piece, we sell it as a piece. If you want it as a set, we'll also give you as a set. Let me get some candles just.
Hey, you have varieties. Nancy, now you're taking us places. You have to show guys how
we have to, because you know houses have to be beautiful. so that when you're living in the house, you can feel, oh yeah, I'm at home.
I'm at home.
You know?
That home feeling.
Yeah, it's a very essential feeling.
Yeah.
So these are the candle holders.
Plus these also are another set.
Yeah, it's a candle holder as well. You know, you use them for the candles.
They're so pretty.
Or even the 3-wick candles, just any candle. These as well. Yeah, these are all candle holders.
Another decorative piece, the flowers again, you guys.
You can use them in the bathroom, in the dining area, just
living room,
yes.
anywhere.
I love the fact that you understand the deco part.
I understand. At least you brought me home.
It's such a nice
Now
thing.
I'm just trying to give out my creative side,
which is amazing.
Alright.
Yeah, these are soap dispensers, you know.
Beautiful. And then I love how it looks like rainbowish. You know, it's a glass, but it gives it that
absolutely
feeling.
It's such a vibe, you know.
It's
you
a
have
vibe.
the soap. You have to keep on using the plastic normal soap dispensers. You know, this is glass. It's you have to upgrade your class.
And what I realized about most interior decor things, most of them comes in glass pieces, gold, silver, you name it. If you're a lover of gold like I do,
yes.
most things here, it's a vibe, like Nancy says, a vibe.
Yeah, it's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. Then tissue holders, you know.
This is unique, you guys.
Very unique.
This is so unique.
Very unique. It's made of acrylic, so you can just, you know, pick your tissue and
do your business.
Yes.
And what are these? Are these perfumes?
No, these are wallflowers.
What do you mean wallflowers?
Wallflowers meaning they give you the scent that you love.
So they're being spread on walls, or?
No, let me show you.
Educate me.
Let me show you where ours is.
Okay.
We plug it in there.
Oh,
I don't know whether you can smell something nice in the room. Can you?
This room smells so nice. I don't know whether it's this or the fragrances behind me. I mean
everything. But mostly it's this because it's burning.
I get it.
Yeah, it's burning.
It's like one of those like like the insecticides that people normally use. And
absolutely. And now the good thing about this is now for making your house smell nice. For the fragrances. You know?
How did I not think about
and it's so easy to use. Let me show you. It's so easy because you know it burns. It burns. You plug it in the socket, then it burns. The scent comes out from here.
And this socket is beautiful. Does it mean that when somebody buys this, they have to buy the same thing?
Yeah.
So
it comes in different designs. No, these are the designs.
Okay.
So you choose whatever design you like.
Okay.
Yeah, then you choose the scent according to your liking, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just plug it in.
This is so unique. How much is a piece?
A piece, this is 950.
Fair.
And this is 2,000.
So
it's a one-off buy. You know the plug, when you buy it today, you won't come back to the shop
again.
Unless you're buying for another space, you know.
Yeah.
And the refill, it will last you for up to 2 months or 3.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Like this has been with us for a month.
Really?
Yes.
So meaning when it's attached to the plug, it doesn't use much. I mean, when it sprays, how does it work?
No, it burns.
It burns.
Just hold here.
It's
been burning.
Oh yeah. It's
so when it burns, you know it has the wick.
Oh yeah.
So the wick now brings out the scent.
Okay.
Yes.
So this can last someone for some time.
Yes, for some time, for quite a good, amount of time.
I hope you guys are learning. Me, I'm learning. I feel like a fresher in these things.
Yes.
My camera person is amazed. I think he's seeing this for the first time. He's very amazed.
Yeah.
What?
So
make your home smell beautiful. And somebody, I couldn't even tell what's wrong. I mean, this shop smells amazing, so I couldn't tell whether it's the candles or the bath. You said body works.
The candles, yeah, but
they have a secret over here. Make your house smell nice, you guys.
Absolutely. And now for the car, we have the scents.
Oh, the car
One's the same as this, because
Okay.
all of them are from Bath and Body Works. So these are the scents. What happens is you choose the plug you want. They come in different types
shapes
and all.
and types.
Yes, and the scent same case applies to the refills. So you.
So for the car.
So what you do? These are the
variety of
the scents. You unseal it, then you put it inside a plug, then you close. So for this, you plug it pale kwa vent. You see the AC part?
Yes.
AC part, this is where you plug it. And for this other type, on the Visa top, where the sunblock is. Yes.
So for the cars, this is how much for the cars?
This is 1,400, the ones with the designs. Then we have the
plain
simple ones, which are 1,200.
Okay.
And the center 700 shillings. So it's a worth investment.
So you make your car as well as your home smell.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Now
vases, more vases, and these are actually metallic.
These are metallic.
Yes, so they can't break.
They can't break.
No, they can't break.
And they come in variety of shapes.
Yes, shapes.
So do you mean like the flowers? I've seen like quite plenty of flowers here. Can someone buy even like one flower? I mean like the, how do you call them? A strip or?
The bunch.
Like the bunch.
These ones come in a bunch. We have more flowers that come in stems.
Oh, okay.
Like for instance, I can actually show you. This is a stem. Or this rather. One
stem.
This is a stem.
Someone can buy even a stem, but buying a stem won't.
Unless maybe you want to mix it with more other flowers.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yeah.
So this is a stem. And now for the roses, like this one, it's a bunch.
It's a bunch.
You know, it comes as a bunch.
So you guys sell stems and
bunches, yes. And complete flowers like this.
Flowers.
There's a complete flower, you know.
It's nice.
Yeah. So it's inside a vase.
So Nancy, you guys have a lot of stuff.
Yes.
A lot of stuff. More scents, more. These are like
candles. These are candles.
And they come in good packages.
Yeah, really good.
It's okay.
Yes.
Is there need to open or you just want to show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
They ought to see what is in
it. Look at that. Look at that.
It's a candle. It's
a candle,
yes.
But it has a very nice package.
Yes,
even the glass
does.
itself.
It does. This is 1,700.
1,700.
Yeah, it's called Sicily Sweet Orange.
And they come in variety of...
Yeah. They come in various scents. So you're good to go with whatever scent you want. These are humidifiers. They are really good for somebody who has blocked their breathing system, maybe has a flu or a cold. They're really good because what you do is they come in different sizes, designs and all.
Yeah.
So you're provided with a cable. Then you have the humidifier. It looks like this.
This is also attached to the wall, yeah?
No.
It's not?
What happens is you put water inside.
Okay.
And a few drops of the essential oils.
Okay.
Yeah. So what happens is the essential oil is the one that works, you know, and blocks the whole thing. So you have the cable, you plug it in after putting the water and the essential oil. So you close it, then you plug it in here. Then the unit now comes up from there.
I think even this it can even, apart from the way you're saying block nose and whatever, it can even make a room smell nice.
Yes, it does, because if you get like an essential oil for lavender, you know, lavender makes you sleep and also makes the house smell so
Get
nice.
rid of foul smell
yes,
and everything.
Absolutely.
Nice. There are more centerpieces and more
decor.
More decor here.
So this is actually a candle, you know, an LED candle. This is how you light it.
I think these are new in the market. They've been there.
They've been there actually, but you know, when you're having the candlelit dinners, these are the kind of things you should have, you know. Even like this, the tea lights, you know. They also
this
do
is
light.
an LED.
Yeah, it's an LED.
Okay.
They use batteries.
Okay.
They also light, but now they, you know, you have to put the batteries.
Yeah.
And all.
I think this is a good idea for candlelit dinner, unlike the normal candles.
When you're enjoying the dinner, you know, you don't have to go to the restaurants, also with the pandemic and you know everything. Yeah. So there's a honey jar. How you scoop the honey, then use it.
I mean, you guys have every piece that someone might want. You want variety.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Like this is a deco tray.
I'm so in love with this. It's kind of a mirror.
Yes, it's a mirror deco tray. You can use it to display your perfumes, you know. Just
And we also have like perfumes in here. So
Yes, we must demo.
You didn't come to play, you guys.
No, we didn't come to play.
And like the original perfumes,
best.
like, I'm seeing varieties of names there.
Yes.
This one someone can put in the bedroom.
Yeah, in the bedroom, on the dressing table.
Yeah.
Just anywhere.
Anywhere, depending on how you want to style
it. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, then we have this champagne wine buckets. You know,
this was
when you have friends over and
nice.
you know,
it's kind of heavy.
Yes,
heavy.
it's a very good quality. So what happens is you put the ice cubes in, then the champagne for it.
You know, I only see these things in hotels. It's good I'm seeing them here.
Yeah, that's the thing. So they come in different, you know,
like
types.
This handle is wooden and this other handle is metallic.
Yes, that's the idea. So depending on what you love, how you love it, you can go ahead and
I love how you guys have a variety of stuff for every person.
Yeah, that's the idea.
And they are affordable.
Yes, really.
Depending on someone's pocket.
Absolutely.
So this place.
Now this is the wall part. We have the mirrors. We do the mirrors, you know, different types.
Yeah.
Like these ones come in a set of 3. This is a whole set.
Yeah.
This is 11,600. And now for this, the set of 3 is 3,000.
3,000.
Yes.
And they look nice.
Yeah. Yes.
This for 3,000.
Yes.
Okay.
We also have the square ones over there.
The square ones.
Yeah, set of 3 as well. 3,000. We have the clock. The wooden, it's really nice for
it's wooden. This is nice
for the wall.
The wall.
Yes.
Also when you have a big space, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're good to go with that. The mirrors are actually currently on discount, 10% off.
Like right now?
Yeah, as we speak. So initially they used to be 5,500 and now they're 4,950.
For this only?
Yes, this only. Same case applies to that one, and there are just so many.
You have different varieties.
Nice. Yes.
And I think we talked about all these, the vases.
Yes, the vases. Yeah. For those who have kids, we have alarm clocks, even for adults, you know, alarm clocks that, you know, they actually
and even work. It can even be used for decoration.
Yes,
even
for decor, on top of maybe decor books, you know, and styling your space. We have the bookend for the kids. It's a bookend so that maybe on their shelf it can hold their books, you know.
I don't know about that. I don't know, I was even thinking it's just one of the decoration pieces.
Oh, nice.
I never thought about
it's also a decor, you know, it's also a decor.
How you style your home, my dear? How you style your home?
Decor balls, different colors and varieties and sizes.
And texture.
Yeah, more vases as well, you know.
So nice, you guys. Our viewers have already seen, like, you guys have different pieces. So I know someone might be wondering, Sharon, why don't you ask Nancy how they do their marketing, where they are found? Are you guys on social media? You know, because nowadays people would want to know how do you guys do your marketing?
Absolutely, we do online. We do online. Online is such a very good platform whereby you can actually sell from there. Yeah. If you're willing to sell, you know. Yeah, plus we get the clientels, we get referrals, you know. On Instagram, we're at CK, Home Styles and Interiors. Same case applies to Facebook. So we also use influencers, some of the influencers.
To market the products.
Yes, to market the products. Yes, it's been okay. It's been very good so far, so good.
Nice. So that means that when you're doing it even online, it doesn't mean that only your clients are in Nairobi.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the thing. That's another thing. We do deliveries all over. You do deliveries all over? Within the country, within the Nairobi premises, within Kenya and outside Kenya. Nice. Yes, we have clients from Mombasa, Malindi, Malaral, just everywhere around the country.
So that thanks to social media. Yes. At least. I love how you guys even display your items on Instagram.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Because I think
it's an effort.
Yeah, it's an
it's an effort that you have to do genuinely. because you love what you do. Yeah.
And just a reminder to maybe our audience or our viewer who might be coming in while the show was on, the name of the place, the location, and some of the branches that you have. Maybe you can just remind them.
Oh yeah. We have 2 branches. We have where we are currently in Lavington at Gitanga Box Park, 1148 Gitanga Box Park. It's on Gitanga Road off James Gishuru. Then we have another branch at the UN Avenue, which is at Gigiri Box Park. Yes.
As concluding the show, Nancy, how can someone reach you? Do you have contacts?
Yes,
like for sales
yes,
and everything?
we do. So the contact that is normally very open for everyone is 0769 855 225. May I repeat?
Please do.
0769 855 225. You can always reach us anytime, any day. Feel free. Yes.
Nancy, thank you so much for taking us through this beautiful show.
Thank you, Sharon.
And thanks for your time too.
Thank you for
time
your time too,
essential.
for choosing us. Yes.
Asante sana.
Asante.
Alright, and to our viewers, with that marks the end of today's property show. I believe you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. In as much as I take you through properties, I've taken you through enough properties. Now it's time to style your home. CK Home Style is here to help you design and style your home. Until next time, same place, same time. My name is Sharon Ongao. Adios. Nancy, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.